In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL link to text in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text in your diagram into a clickable link that points to a website or resource, making your visuals more interactive and useful for viewers. First, head to Lucid and open Lucidchart. Once you're in, navigate to the specific diagram where you want to add your link. It can be a flowchart, a wireframe, a concept map, anything you're working on. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can select and modify elements on the canvas. Next, click to select the exact text you want to hyperlink. This could be a label inside a shape, a standalone text box, or any text element in your diagram. With the text highlighted, right-click to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Add Link. A small dialog will appear with different link types. Select URL since we're linking out to a web page. Now paste the full web address into the URL field. It's a good idea to copy the link directly from your browser to avoid typos. Make sure it includes the proper prefix like https so the link opens correctly. Once the URL is in place, click Apply. You'll notice the text typically gains a link style, such as an underline or color change, indicating it's now clickable. That's really all there is to it. You've successfully added a URL link to text in your Lucidchart diagram. If you want to keep your diagram clean and readable, you can adjust the text styling after linking, change the color, tweak the font weight, or refine the size without breaking the link. The hyperlink stays attached to the text element unless you remove it. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: use descriptive anchor text instead of pasting long URLs directly into your diagram. For example, Project Brief or Support Docs looks cleaner and helps teammates understand where the link goes at a glance. Also, be mindful of where you place linked text in busy diagrams. Keeping it near relevant shapes or grouping it with related content makes navigation intuitive for viewers. Finally, remember that links are saved with your document, so anyone with access to your Lucidchart file can click them when viewing or collaborating. This is perfect for connecting diagrams to specs, tickets, dashboards, or external documentation. And that's it. Simple, clear, and effective. You've learned how to add a URL link to text in Lucidchart to make your diagrams more interactive and informative.